welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa if you're new, and so for today's video I'm going to be doing a back to school makeup tutorial. I just decided to film this video for fun and I hope that you guys enjoyed. Remember to subscribe to my channel right here if you are not subscribed already. All that does is gets you notified every time that I upload a video. And remember to turn on your post notifications so that you guys get notified every time that I upload a video, especially now because I'm uploading 2 times a week, every Monday and every Thursday. Stay tuned for my videos. And without further ado, let's just hop right into this video. Yikes, I'm looking a little bit rough. Hi guys. Okay, so it's 8 in the morning right now, so please excuse me. I just woke up, I just washed my face, brushed my teeth, and I'm filming this video. So yeah. Okay, so half of it is like high-end and half of it is drugstore, so you can get it both. But I'm trying to like use different makeup because I like use the same things that I use. So I was just going through my drawers and I found some stuff and I just thought I'd make a makeup tutorial, a back to school makeup tutorial. But the first thing that I like to do is I like to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, but I like to take this and I just put about like 1 to 3 drops on my hand, and then I just rub it in and just go like this and put it on my T-zone, and then just like take the rest of it and just like put it outwards and blend it outwards. So for school, usually I don't put on like BB cream or CC cream, only like concealer or whatever, like throughout the year because I really don't care. But for this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Dream BB Cream Foundation, or BB Cream, and it looks like this. And I'm just going to be taking this and putting it right here, and just putting about like that much of it, not really a lot of it. And then I'm going to take it and just like put little dots around my face like that, so it gives you like a little bit of coverage, but it still looks natural because I love natural makeup and I love it where you can see like your freckles, but that's just me. And then I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend this out. So now that my BB cream is all blended out, next is concealer. And for concealer, I usually switch between these two. This is the Tarte Mercure Creaseless Concealer. And it looks like this, and I'm in the shade medium. I'm in the shade medium in this. But I feel like right now that's a little bit too dark for me because I didn't really get tan this summer. But I'm going to be using my very crusty and disgusting NARS Creamy Concealer. And I'm just going to be putting just like a dot or 2 under my eyes, maybe 2 dots because I need some sleep. And then I'm just going to put some on my redness spots, my pimples. Now that I have concealer everywhere, for my concealer, I'm going to be blending it out with my finger, with my ring finger, because it's the softest finger. But I'm going to be blending it out because it looks more natural when you blend it out with your finger. So I'm just going to be blending underneath my eyes. Okay. So now that I don't look as bad as I did before, I'm just going to take my beauty blender and just go around real quick just to make sure that everything is all blended out and even. Okay, so today I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 235. I'm going to be taking this BH Cosmetics brush in 125 and just going like this and just putting the powder everywhere that I put the concealer on. Okay, so next I'm telling you I'm trying to like reach out and use the stuff that I have, but I'm going to be using the Tarte Pro Glow palette. Sometimes I like to take the Sculpt shade here, which is the contour shade, and today I'm just going to be putting it on this Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I'm going to be going like that and just putting it where you would usually just contour. Like that's a sharp line right there. So we've got to obviously blend it out, but it's contour, so we're going to be putting it there. Next, I'm going to be taking my blush, and for blush, I'm going to be using my NARS Deep Throat Blush, and it looks like this, and I'm just going to be taking this Tarte blush brush, just going like that, and applying blush to my cheeks. For highlight, I'm also going to be taking the Tarte Pro Glow palette again, and I'm going to be taking this Morphe M310 brush, And I'm gonna be taking, what should we take? Should we take we're gonna be mixing Stunner and Strobe together. And I'm just gonna be applying this. I don't really put on eyeshadow, so I'm not going to be putting on eyeshadow, but if you were doing this makeup tutorial and you want an eyeshadow, then if I was in the mood to put on eyeshadow, I would put on the bronzer and just put it on my eyes, because I usually do that, but I'm just not in the mood. And for this makeup tutorial, I didn't wear eyeshadow in the thumbnail, so I'm not going to wear it now. But next, I do brows and the mascara first. So for brows, I don't really fill in my brows. I usually just brush them out. But today I'm feeling a little fancy and I'm not going to fill them in, but I'll show you what I'm going to use. But first I'm going to be taking this Anastasia brow definer and I'm going to brush out my eyebrows. So now that my eyebrows are brushed out, I'm going to be taking my Benefit Gimme Brow, and in number 5, I'm just gonna be taking this and just brushing it through my eyebrows so that it, like, I don't know, fills in like the little tiny spots. Anyways, next I'm gonna be taking my eyelash curler, and this is just an eyelash curler from NYX, not that it matters, but I'm just gonna be curling my eyelashes. And the thing is, I have like long eyelashes. Do you hear my dog? The thing is, I have long eyelashes, except my eyelashes don't really curl like naturally, I mean. So I just like to curl them. And I'm going to be taking the Brooklyn & Bailey. I have concealer on every single one of my makeup products, but I'm going to be taking the Brooklyn & Bailey Lash Next Door mascara. I just ordered it and so far I really like it. So I'm using this, but if I wasn't using this, then I would probably use my Benefit Their Real mascara, because it's my favorite one. Or the Roller Lash one. I use that one a lot for my bottom lashes, but I'm just going to be taking this one. So now that my mascara is on, I hate when my mascara is clumpy or looks clumpy. Take this eyebrow brush, and I know that Real Techniques has like a brush like that you can use specifically for this, but I take this side of it and I like to comb through my lashes. What it basically does is it gets rid of all those clumps in your eyes so that you have absolutely zero clumps, because I hate when your mascara is clumpy. That's it for my makeup. And then for lips, I don't put on lipstick or lip gloss, but usually I use my Aquaphor chapstick, which I can't find right now, but usually I use my chapstick. But for lip gloss, I use the Glossier or Glossier, however you want to pronounce it, lip gloss, and I just apply it to my lips. It's my favorite lip gloss in the entire world. And that is it for my back to school makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed. So I hope that you guys enjoyed that video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Turn on my post notifications so that you guys get notified every time that I upload a video. And yeah, bye guys, love you.